You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this commune or town in France, in the Gard département. Uzès is how it is said in France, how we say it in France. Uzès, so it's near Nîmes. You can say it in English as Uzès, Uzès, or Uzès, but it normally has this U sound from French, Uzès. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.